The one space in your house that is always in need of a bit organizing is kitchen. Keeping an organized workspace can make each task faster. I believe organization also makes the kitchen safer. When we have everything we need within our arm's reach, there is less need for moving around. To keeping it organized, that means to have home for everything so that we don't have to waste time searching for anything. In today's video, I am trying to arrange few things which create clutter. Let's organize together. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I had few containers which are really difficult to stack and they are occupying more space, so I bought these stackable containers which looks nice and takes very less space and can be stored anywhere in your cabinet. With these space saving container, you can easily get more free space for other things to store. These containers are airtight and you can also use them in refrigerator or freezer, and also they are dishwasher safe.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워.
Many times we clean and organize our whole kitchen, but we ignore the sink area. Sink is the area which we use most of the time, so we should always keep it clean and organized. There are organizers which don't need any drilling and are very rental friendly. Using of hooks to hang wiper and using a small basket can solve your problem to organize kitchen sink. Try to use hidden space to store things like microwave top. Because it's an open space and easily visible, you need to keep it little stylish. Use fancy trays to arrange things on microwave top. It will become the center of attraction for everyone. You can use beautiful tablecloths and mats as well. So on my microwave, I am planning to arrange bottle and jars of mouth fresheners, and I am using few ceramic jars and a wooden tray. I will spread a nice printed cloth over the microwave before placing these things. Sometimes we don't get place to keep extra biscuit and chips packets. So for that you can place them vertically like this. With the help of a hanger and clips, just hang them where you have easy access. A big thank to all my viewers for watching my videos. Hope you found these ideas useful. With more ideas, we'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.